Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So yeah, another video of COD code and whatever you call it. But yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna pretend to be a bot, and yeah, then instead I will be a master. Even though I'm still not a master. But yeah, let's go. And I was gonna be a coach. So yeah, let's start the game. Yeah. And I finally got all of the melee here. The pistol, I haven't got all of them. Yeah. Launcher, yep. Melee, yep. Yeah. And now I'm gonna use the butterfly knife. Later I will use the. This is my dream melee, yeah. That's my dream melee, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna first I will do this because they say this is with strong too. With strong. Now I also got all of the assets here. Manual, blah 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 blah. Yeah, but in my entry M13, I don't know. I think I got all of them. Yeah. 9, 6, 10, 1, 9, 1, 9. So I have to get this. I have the sand. I need 4 camels. I only need 4 camels. The sprinter I need 9. The tiger I need 1. The jungle I need 9 and 9. The reptile. So I can have this beautiful gold camel. Alright. Yeah, I'm not be a bot. I think being a bot is a bad idea. So yeah. Like this. That's good. Now let's do these. Sure, Thursday. Yeah, hold on. Oh my god, so much. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's do these. Okay. Nasa na mga mythic ba yun? Hindi ko manam. So yeah, let's go. Do this. Go around. Alright. Sana ulo. Mayroon na sila golden sniper thingy. Na ulo.
The enemy has the bomb. Throwing smoke grenade.
Lo! No, sana ulo. No.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
We'll finish the mission.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
No,
Ready up.
no.
Let's go. Let's go.
A butterfly knife.
Defend the objectives.
Hmm.
They have the bomb.
Hanggang.
Smoke out.
Oh, no. Sniper.
Bingo
Let's
down.
go, nakapatay na din ako.
Drop the bomb.
Mag-tablet muna tayo.
Tango down.
Yes! Let's go, nakabawi.
Next round.
So thirsty.
Defend the objective. The enemy has the bomb. Throw a smoke grenade.
Kita ko. Kita dito. Ito, nakita ko dito eh. Oo nga, papatay dun eh. Kinuha nila eh.
Planted.
Defuse. Wait, baka nandyan siya. Pinoprotektahan mo yung bomb. Let's go. Wala siya. Defuse. Paano ba ito i-defuse?
Nice work. Good for the next round.
Let's go, guys. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this.
Defend the objective.
Okay.
They have the bomb. Smoke out.
Baka mayroon na dyan. Ito,
Bomb spotted.
galing ka talaga. Ang bilis naman ng pagkano niya. Uy, bawal natin kasayangin. Ay, wala. Normal lang yun pala. Asan ba yun? Kunin ko yung ano ko. Wait. Basta kala ko magandang skin.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Let's go. Alright, let's start this. Nagagawa ko. Anong sasabi ko?
Bomb acquired.
Okay, protect natin to. Protect daw natin to eh. Protect natin. Kasi nasa kanya yung bomb eh. Protect daw natin to. Hindi, ako look out. Plant mo. Wala? Wala. Yee. Diyan ka lang. Huwag mo ano. Alis na ako. Kala ko. Yes! Let's go. Isa na lang guys. One na lang. Wala pa akong napapatay. Isa pa lang. May napatay ako. Dalawa ata o tatlo. Pero di ko lang. Proper yan. Kunin ko yan. Bang! Ay, hindi ko nakuha, guys. Protect natin. Protect. Lord.
Let's go. Enemy in sight.
Lag! Hindi ko yung napatay.
Bomb shot. Changing mag. Cover me.
Inis, gagawin ko lahat. Uy! Gagawin ko lahat?
Bomb acquired.
Ba't ang ano ko?
Lost the bomb.
Yes! Ako yun, no? Ako yun, guys. Ako. Ay, hindi tayo MVP. Kala ko naman tayo ang MVP. So yeah, let's do this. So thirsty. konti na lang. Ano napatay natin? 5! 5 napatay natin, umaga! So, yeah. Short lang ang video na to, guys. And yeah, bye-bye. Peace. Yes, and peace. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates. So yeah guys, bye. Peace.